Good morning, it is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in about a minute, so let's see what happens. Alright, I have an order out to short some shares at 34.75 here on RDUS, so we'll see if it can get up there or not. And I am in. So now just putting out some buy orders there. I'm more than happy to build a bigger position if I can. That's why I only went in with the, let me get some here. This one can obviously move very quick. All right, so I'm down to 200 shares. Now I'm at 700 shares. So I'll try to get those out at 35. So I'm all out now for $319 on the trade. I really wish there would be more of these because I like this action. It'd be nice if more RDUSs existed. But good opening. Actually, today's Monday, so a good opening week trade. Let's see if I can capture a couple more trades on it. All right, have an order at 36.50. We'll see if it can get up there or not. Same principle, just starting out small, and then I can build. So I will keep you updated on that one. All right, have an order out to pick up some shares of LL at 10.75. You can see it's getting quite overextended here to the downside. Not sure it's going to get down there now. All right, I'm going to keep looking. If it looks like it does, I'll get the video recording again. All right, while I'm thinking of it, and just because I know I'm going to get questions on it, which is perfectly fine because it's a very smart, it's a very logical question to be asking. But how did I find RDUS to even trade this morning? And just in general, how am I finding the stocks and setups that I do trade? So what I've done is I've put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I'm using to find the stocks, such as RDUS. So if that sounds like something that could add some value to you as a trader, then go ahead and click right there, and you'll get access to the guide. It's totally free. It's very short and to the point. So no strings attached or anything like that. And like I said, it's not like it's something an actual book where you have to read through pages and pages. I put it together with time efficiency in mind. So like I said, if you're curious on how I'm finding stocks like the ones you saw me trade in this video, then you can check out those tools right there. So I'm still looking, but I'm not gonna lie. After starting off in one trade, $300 or whatever it was, I've definitely become a lot more picky. And not that I wasn't picky to begin with, but I'm off to a nice start to the day, let alone the whole week. So no need to rush into anything. So I'm going to try my best to find at least one more trade, but no promises. So I'm going to keep looking. Okay, I have an order out here at 1970 to try to pick up some shares. DF here, just nasty move to the downside. So we'll see if it can stretch down there or not and get me filled. I'll let it run here a little bit more, see if we can. Back above 20 it goes. So never mind, not looking like that one's going to work out. And while I'm at it, one of the other big questions I always get is, hey, how does your chat room work? So right here you can see is where I alerted RDUS, and that was right here at the opening bell, 9:30, and that's when I was trading it. You saw it all happen, but just said that it was a strong start and that I was watching for a fade, and then you got to see all that play out on the video. And then if I hop over here to the chat room, you can see a member here actually did very well on it. Canadian here, he actually shorted 2,100 shares and then thanked me. So you're welcome, Canadian, but go look yourself in the mirror, buddy, because you actually did the trade. But if you look here, actually, let's make it a little bit bigger. You can see, let's see, he shorted 1,000. Oh, 20, or he just did 1,000. Okay, 2,100 was his total, but he shorted at 36.70. And then he was down here, you can see, so he shorted, and then he covered at 34.55 right there. So, yeah, quite the what is that, about $2,000 there? Oh, $2,100 was the amount he made on it. So $2,100 profit there. So well done. Always good when I see members making money like that. So that is how the chat room works. Notice I didn't tell him too short or anything like that. He came up with his own trade plan and executed the trade on his own. So it's not like it's let me hold your hand type thing. But if you know how to read charts and if you have a system in place, then that's what the room's about. Just making general alerts, and then people can trade them however they want. So but there's an example of how all that works. So things seem to have slowed down here a little bit, so I'm actually just going to wrap it up. We'll keep it at a good 5-6 minute video. So if there are any other questions on the chat room or how it works, leave those in the comment section below, or just shoot me an email. I'm always looking to surround myself with people such as the poster we just talked about, Canadian there, who don't say, hey, tell me exactly when to buy, tell me exactly when to sell. Just, I want people to say, hey, tell me what's in play, tell me what's moving, and then I can take it from there. Those are the people that I want in the chat room. But if you have any questions, like I said, let me know. As always, if you want me to keep making these, click that like button. That's the easiest way to do it. I do appreciate comments and stuff like that. So those are always welcome. But clicking the like button, clicking that share button, those are by far the easiest ways to let me know that you're finding these enjoyable. And as long as that's the case, I'll keep making them. And as always, I've created a warning video for these live trades. So what am I talking about? What am I warning you of? Well, watch the video down below. It's actually very important because too many people think that these are some sort of educational videos. So a link will be down in the description box warning you about how these sorts of videos should actually be watched and kind of taken to heart. So with all that being said, everybody, it's Monday, so have a great rest of the week.